quay now. I'm just going to walk along. I'm going to show you Torquay. I'm going to show you Torquay and walk along the pier and show you around. So here I go. There we are. There we are. Fish and chips. There's a lot of restaurants and cafe bars that are not open yet, but they'll be opening soon probably. And they usually have a lot of tables out here as well, and they're open. Costa. And it's quite hazy over there, as you can see. It's still got the cruise ships. Oh, there's 2 people on paddle boards over there. It looks like it's a cold day, but it's quite warm. Not that bad actually today. And I don't know what this is. I think it's pretty.
So I want to work 3 days.
I'm going to go across up here. Oops, big car. Ooh. That woke me up.
They want to make it hard, people.
Yeah. That police car sounds really weird. Right, going across the road bit there. Someone's waving. As you can see, you have 2 paddleboarders over there, and you've got 2 sort of cruise ships, and oh, a lovely ship over there, and the tide's right out. Yeah. The other side. Come on.
Avoid the silly places on the tube train. That is no problem whatsoever.
Right. What's it?
You can just walk up here because you can just cut the sand.
Come along.
You think they can't talk? Yeah, you just put. Strange. When you're strange, people don't remember your name. So yeah, now that's like the next step. Like, only have this parent. Yeah. Then there's married.
Oh, there's lovely palm trees.
Just say you can look at it because it's coated. I'm not being very well, so I'm in the lockdown how to get I tried to improve myself by doing habits and stuff.
Wow.
How many hours do you do? At the moment, I'm too cold. How many do you do? Well, it's like... Yeah. I then found out the next day, he turned up the other day, he's got a brand new Mercedes.
Warm though, isn't it? Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Yeah. Open now. Yeah, and all that over there.
There's nothing in it, there will be, and it's got a living room and my bed in the living room so you can stay. Little spare mattress. Because it's just so... See, my current thing, you can't really stay.
Oh, it's got some nice palm trees. I like those ones. I've got a nice walk up over there, up there. That used to be different a long time ago, but because they had, oh, was it a landslide? And they have to make it a lot different. Because it used to have all plants and everything, lots of different walkways. But they put new steps in because of the landslide they had ages ago. It's a Princess Theatre. My daughter used to do a lot of shows there from Buckingham Dance Studios. She used to do a lot of ballet shows. Paige did. My daughter, the youngest one, she used to do shows. Oh, what show did she used to do? Capella. I think it's Capella or something. Got fish and chips at the restaurant. It's like they're going to get it ready for April. And this is, we're not in Brixham, but we're in Torquay. This is the ferry to Brixham. Get a ferry to Brixham and get boat trips as well. With English Riviera and Torquay Brixham ferry. That's all the, and that's the yeah, that's the pier, Torquay pier, and you get nice boat trips here, and you can get like a bar, toilet on board, and sunset evening cruise. That looks good. And you've got boat trips and train trips. Brixham Sea Train. So you've got all these. You can see dolphins as well. It's good. Wow, that's really good. And you've got the Tamage round robin. Mackerel. Oh, you can do mackerel fishing if you like that.
Well, I'm going for pastel colours of white.
Fish and chips. Fish and chips supper and evening cruise. That looks good. Wow.
So basically,
It's really good for a day out. And that's the prices for the family, cost 60 quid. And the fishing, that'd be good for somebody's birthday or something, you know, like your dad or something.
I think you'll like this flat more.
Oh, and then you too.
And then when I'm working
There's all the
in London,
boats and the yachts.
maybe next year, you can stay in my flat to look after the kids. Your own flat. And you just pay the electric, which we're going to put a card meter in.
That'll be good. Now I want to get my face
What do you mean?
When was this? When will this be?
When I'm in London next year, 22.
Happy days, that's good. Happy days, the Fonz. A good boat.
Yeah, but you never stay with your boyfriend that long. You see the doctor.
Well, I feel like this one's good. We've met his parents.
Oh, you like it?
Oh,
Okay, that means it's good then.
called into yachts.
Like he's non-sure.
Wow,
Oh,
nice. The trouble with me, I get seasick. You've got all this. This was really pretty.
oh, finally!
You've got all this. It's really pretty, this part of Torquay. Really, and they look like they're tidying it up more because of the thing. Because the people are going to come down. It's quite the fact. Here, there's my. I want you to. It's so pretty here. All the yachts. Oops, nearly tripped down. Trip up, I mean, not trip down. Well, trip down the steps. Ah, look at that. I wonder how much is it to, you know, to leave your boat or yacht there. Got jet skis. I think they're quite dangerous, I think, those jet skis. It's alright if you know how to use them, but sometimes when we're in our kayak, we get them like whizzing past, and you know, some of them are alright, but some of them are sort of like so careless. Wow. Quite packed. Really good. It's a nice day today as well. It's not too hot and not too cold. It's just right. It just feels right. But a bit hazy. But yesterday was really hot.
But you know when I get my flat? You know my flat's cute. I mean the bathroom in my place is better because it's only a little bathroom. So I'm gonna miss my marble bathroom because it is nice in my bathroom. Yeah, but I need a bigger lounge. Wait, I need a shower.
That's really pretty. I like that, pavilions. That used to, the pavilions, if I can pronounce it right, I'm sort of deaf in that, but when I first moved here they used to have little shops inside, and they used to have a little market inside. It was really nice, but I don't think they use it now, so let's hope they don't pull the building down, because it is a nice building and it's a nice, you know, a nice pretty building. So don't do things like that these days, do they? They used to make them like, you know, modern buildings I don't like, but these sort of buildings, I don't know why. The old buildings have got more style. It's like the antiques, like furniture, antiques. The antique furniture is a lot better than the modern furniture. it? All these boats and that. Very pretty.
Even my friend, like Charlotte, she can see that he loves me. So every time he looks at me, he's like sparkling, like happy. It's really tall. You can look through the door.
Jet set and go.
Yeah. Mum's fine.
Is he start night? Yeah. And obviously your boyfriend.
And the dog.
So we're in Welcome to Torquay Marina, and this is Dockmaster office,
So it's like if you stop walking, I was
and this is where we can sail your boat. So if you've got a boat to sail, you can think, oh, boat sales here.
Oh, the one that I get
Wow.
to work.
That's not bad. 50,000, 49,000. Right, we're on our way to this bit here on the over the bridge. This is the harbour. The harbour old fish quay.
Mum's talking.
Welcome to Torquay Harbour. There we are. Come on in, you two. Kirsty, come on in. We're going across this bridge now. They've got a nice harvester over there, and up over here where we're going now used to be the penguin place. Pate and Sue owns it, but I think they're not doing that there no more. I think they closed it and sold all the penguins off because of COVID or something. They weren't making much money. That's my boat, midlife crisis.